Hello everyone, I am Siddharth from Real Dreams. As of now, September intake is coming fast and the preparation for interview for different universities such as the universities which are conducting AI-based interview and video-based interview. Dear, first of all, we have to students listen that what is AI-based interview strategies and what is video-based interview strategies. In video-based, there is a person, there is a human person who is being doing a video call in front of you. Either it will be a Google Meet or Teams Meet. In video interview, you have to give sweet and short answers. Now, what do you mean by sweet and short answers? Sweet and short answers mean that answer should be to the point and it should be personalized, authenticated answer. And your way of explaining the answer should not be like you have memorized the answers. Because when you are memorizing something, it automatically your speeds become very fast. As for example, right now I am not doing the memorized content. So I am taking little bit pause. I am using my hand gesture. Same thing you have to do because you don't have to seem that you have already mechanical answers, memorized answers. Even though you will be memorizing those answers, but you have to maintain your fluency, your speaking gesture in a way that on the spot, like in say Nepalese, bhakre tapai ko soch nahi ho, and then you have to speak. Talking about the AI based interview, the same thing is there. In that, the answer quantity, like the length of the answer should be very long. Long means that at least for 2 minutes. More than 1 minute, so it's the minimum thing. 2 minutes, if it is 2 minutes, then it's well and good. The kinds of questions which is common in both the examination, like for AI and video interview, is why UK, how are you going to manage your accommodation, what are your transportation method, where you are going to stay. Like these kinds of questions are there. Now, if you will talk about these things, please, dear Zoom student, please come sit. So let's say we are not going to make this is a totally raw video and we are not going to filter it because yes, students are our core center. Now the questions are why UK, who is going to sponsor you, why you have chosen this university, what are the facilities which motivates you to choose this university, how this course is relevant to your past academic background, why you have chosen this course. Now many times it is being seen there, the questions will not become directly like why you have chosen this university. No, the questions will be like what are the most interesting factor and the facilities which makes you to choose this university. So you don't have to be confused in that thing because you will be getting a 30 seconds time. Same goes with the video interview. In AI based interview, the questions will be reflected on the screen. Although I have shared you like the AI based pre-recorded videos, and every students have got that thing. In video interview, your answers have to be sweet and short, and it should be personalized. Like why this university? So you can say that for an example. Suppose you have chosen University of Worcester, for example. I have chosen University of Worcester because the course curriculum and the module which in this course are having, for example, XYZ, is quite similar in my past academic background. As in my past academic background, I have listened these subjects XYZ, which is being similar and the enhanced version. As my interest depends on that thing, it makes me to relate to my future career goals. Now you have to mention two things: how that course is going to help for the future career goal and how the module is related. If these two things are there, then you have chosen this university because the curriculum is quite different. In the meanwhile, you can add one line as well because I have chosen this university like in terms of ranking and as compared with the other universities. Now there is next question like what is the university comparison, what comparison you have done with different universities. There you have to compare the same university in the same location with other thing. You can't say that I have chosen York campus with London campus. Although you can mention that like, okay, I was being fascinated by the York because it is like it is not in the hustling and bustling of the city of London. But again, that will not be that much perfect answer. So you have to mention the location, universities which are at the same location, right? One thing. Talking about the accommodation question. In accommodation question, you have to mention the same exact location. Like I have visited many sites. I have done a lot of research from internet. I have gone through different several websites such as amberkasita.com. There are other websites as well. You can mention it. I have gone through it. There are different properties as per my budget. Out of those properties, I got to choose this property. Then you have to mention the location, street address, exact street address. As of now, this property is offering me these facilities and the monthly or weekly rate. So monthly it is hiring suppose XYZ amount in GBP. You have to mention that amount in GBP. Now at last you have to say that I haven't done the final booking. Once I will receive my visa, then I will be going for the final booking process. So that's all. This is the series 1. In the next series, we will come with another question. So please stay tuned. All the best.